Hi, do you want to see our room?
Yeah.
So if we put this card in, look, the lights don't turn on. But watch this. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow.
We're in Legoland.
All right, so here's the kids' room.
There's like amazing, right? Up, so like you can pull this all the way out, and someone can come here. And it's amazing because there's a TV with the remote.
And there's this curtain. So bye guys, have fun in there.
Bye.
Just kidding.
And look, there's
Whoa.
Legos. We can build on mats, and we can build them sideways.
Wow.
There's some lights. Switches.
Let's look at the rest. Show me the bathroom next. Oh wow, the ceiling. Oh, here, let's shut the door so you can see.
Look how cool
Whoa.
that is. On the ceiling. They're like shooting stars.
That is really cool. Okay, I want one of these in my room. Well, we better show them the rest of the hotel. We're going to fall asleep in here.
And this is a cool box. It's a cool.
Yeah, there's treasure in there. We need to open later.
We have to go to the hotel finding mysteries, and we have to type the numbers in and unlock it, and they're secret.
Okay, we think we figured out the code.
Yeah, we did it. It came! There's like
Whoa, cool.
Wow.
The magazine, cool.
There's a fridge to the right. Ooh, look at the shower.
And a hot chocolate and water. The bathroom. Dun dun dun.
And the shower.
Nice. Ooh. It's a nice shower.
With the cool curtain.
Yeah.
And like a hairbrush and these.
Wow.
And there's like soap. There's everything we need. And we can wash.
All right, David's gonna keep giving the tour. And one of the coolest features in this room,
Yeah, look.
show them that wall. And turn the other lights off.
It's so cool. And look at the cool
It's like stained glass. And there's some nice murals.
There's also a TV in here.
Yep. It's a pretty nice room.
And look, there's even cool dragons.
I know, there's cool Legos everywhere.
Legos are here some. And here's some on the dragon.
Yep.
And there's Legos we can build. And there's more Legos we can build.
There usually is.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, yeah, a sword.
Cool sword.
Okay.
Well, thanks for watching our room tour. Thanks for watching. Bye.